A little update on what I've been doing. I made a drawer. This is a commercial baking pan, a cookie sheet. It's a little over an inch deep, but it clears up a lot of clutter. Anyways, this is what I am making the video about. This is my new collet chuck. It bolts right on. I bought it off of Amazon, and I think probably I lucked out. Now, I don't have a proper indicator set up to go deep into the taper, but this is clear up here and impacting inside the outer edge of the taper. And I'm fairly pleased with it. Let's see if I can show you. That is less than a thousandth as far as my indicator shows, anyways. So it's not perfect by any means. And if I ever get my grinder working properly, I might try to touch it up. I've also marked with a divot here so that it goes on the same place every time. It doesn't seem to make much difference. This outer edge, which really doesn't affect anything, showed 2/1000ths run out. Now that's fine. It is what it is. Doesn't really do anything. I robbed the studs out of my 3-inch chuck, which I don't use very much. And I'll have to buy some high-strength studs and nuts to replace them. But here it is. Now, I bought this from Amazon. I don't know who the seller was, and it doesn't really matter. The chuck included a wrench, and I didn't realize that. My fault, I didn't look close enough. But I ordered this style. And the truth is, it's not perfect. There's one location on the nut where it didn't go in, so I had to file a bit at these little nubs right here on both sides. There's only one location around the nut, so that's a minor complaint. I'm complaining. Anyways, when the collets come in, I will check the run out with the collets and try mounting them in different spots and whatever. I've got an idea to grind them too, but I need to improve my tool post grinder a lot, or do what some of the other guys have done and buy an air grinder. I don't know. We'll see about that. Anyways, there you go.